There is a strong help for our immune system made by nature, and it's called ginger. And ginger is a bit of a tough guy because you have to know how to handle it. I will show you a simple ginger basic drink, and made out of this we will create 4 different types of drinks, starting with tea and finishing with a delicious cocktail. So what do you need to make this drink? First of all, of course, ginger. And it would be good if you have something like this, a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can buy the ready-made juice. Then you need lemon or lime juice. And this is syrup. In this case, lime syrup. Ginger is a really hard, tough fruit. So we have to help the juicer a little bit by cutting it in small pieces. And now it's time to let out the juice. Ta-da, here we are. So there is a little bit of cooking. The first 2 times I made the drink, kept this in the fridge, and after, well, let's say an hour, we had different layers inside the bottle. So I figured out what to do. You add some starch in here. Let's do this. You put a little bit of water, according to the recipe, into a small pot. Add some of the syrup. You mix the starch with water, and once it is boiling, you add the starch. It should be really thick, blah, 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 like that. Blah, 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 blah. We have, let's say, 1/4 ginger juice, lemon juice. This is the syrup, and to be honest, it's not so very important what kind of taste you choose. This is lime. You can use elderflower or whatever you prefer, because the ginger taste is so strong, it will be over everything you choose to put in. Now we put it into a bottle where you want to store it. And like this, you can keep it in the fridge for at least 2 or 3 weeks, but I am sure it won't be in the fridge so long because it's extremely tasty. In the morning, you can start with a cup of hot ginger. Starter of the day, add a slice of orange. Very delicious. Okay, this is how you make the tea. Very, very simple. And what about a lemonade? Very simple as well. A few ice cubes, our basic ginger drink, a little bit of sparkling water, and if you like, you add a few dices or slices of lemon. And here we are with the ginger lemonade. What about a beer? A ginger beer. All you need is basic ginger drink. And some beer. And last but not least, a very delicious ginger cocktail. Some sparkling wine, a little bit of menthe on top. Wherever you are, enjoy. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching and see you soon.